Are you still using canned air to clean your cameras and lenses? It's 2026. You don't need this stuff anymore. Meet the Nitecore BB2 electronic blower. This little device has been a part of my bag for the last couple years now after it was recommended by a good colleague of mine. I love this thing. It's absolutely amazing, and it helps you keep your camera equipment really clean in a variety of conditions. It's got several settings on it, but I use the strongest setting just because it blows the hardest. And it's also got a little brush that's inside this that you can use while you're blowing to kind of get some of the dust off of lenses or camera sensors as you're using it. It also has a little light that's in it that you can shine in there, and you can see inside the sensor and stuff when you're cleaning stuff out. It comes into a lot of handy when you're working at night, so that's a really nice feature for this. Honestly, for like $80, you can't really go wrong with this device. I haven't used canned air in, like I said, a couple years now, and this device is just really awesome. This is one of those devices that's not super sexy, but once you add it to your bag, you're never going to realize how you lived without it. Whenever I'm on shoots, I'm always showing it to people, and they're always like, wow, that's so cool. Over time, not having to buy canned air or, having the headache of using those little blower bubble things will just save you time and money and headache. And, I just can't highly recommend this enough. I've used it in the desert. I've used it in alfalfa fields. I've used it when I'm in, manholes, cleaning my stuff off. And it's just amazing. It charges via a USB-C port. And so it basically, anything that I use to charge any of my other stuff, you can just plug it right in, and it's good to go. So the Nitecore BB2 electronic blower has earned a permanent spot in my bag. Just wanted to share it with you because it's really helped me out over the years, and hopefully it helps you out too. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.